Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to talk to a cashier at a grocery store in the United States. This is a very common situation, but many English learners feel nervous or confused when they reach the counter. Don't worry. After watching this video, you will know exactly what to say, step by step, in simple and natural English. Imagine this situation. You walk into a grocery store. You take a shopping cart or a basket. You pick the items you need: milk, bread, eggs, fruits, vegetables. Everything is fine. Now comes the most important part: paying at the counter. You stand in line. When it's your turn, the cashier smiles and says, "Hi, how are you today?" This is very common in the USA. You can reply with, "I'm good, thanks." "Good, how about you?" Or simply, "Good." All of these are correct. Now the cashier starts scanning your items. While scanning, the cashier may say, "Did you find everything okay? How's your day going?" You can answer simply, "Yes, thank you. It's going well. Pretty good." You do not need long answers. Short and polite answers are perfect. After scanning, the cashier may ask, "Do you need a bag? Paper or plastic? Do you have your own bag?" You can say, "Yes, please." "Plastic is fine." "Paper, please." Or, "No, thank you. I have my own bag." Very easy. Now the cashier tells you the total amount. That'll be $23.50. This means $23.50. You can say, "Okay," or "Sure." Then the cashier can ask, "Cash or card?" Or, "How would you like to pay?" You can reply, "Card, please. I'll pay by card." Or, "Cash." If you are paying by card, the cashier may say, "Please insert your card." You can tap or insert. Enter your PIN. You follow the instructions. No talking is needed here. After payment, the cashier says, "Would you like a receipt?" You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Both are correct. Finally, the cashier says, "Have a nice day." "Have a good one." You should reply, "Thank you, you too," or simply, "Thanks." Smile, take your bags, and leave. That's it. Now let's hear the full conversation together. "Hi, how are you today?" "I'm good, thanks." "Did you find everything okay?" "Yes, thank you." "Do you need a bag?" "Yes, please." That'll be $23.50. Okay. Cash or card? "Card, please." "Would you like a receipt?" "Yes, please." "Have a nice day." "Thank you. You too." This is real English used every day in the USA. Simple, polite, natural. Practice this script again and again. Listen carefully, repeat out loud. In the next video, we will learn how to talk to a waiter in a restaurant. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.